Ever wonder what's inside your laundry detergent that makes it so efficient? My name is Annick Vandeputte. I'm a product researcher, senior scientist in Procter & Gamble. Now let's have a look at the key cleaning ingredients. Now first we have our surfactants. They are the powerhouses of the detergents. They are actively dissolving greasy soils even in water, and they are commonly used in all types of soaps. We're using a blend of different surfactants that are working on a variety of different greasy stains that you can find from our food and our skin. And next we have enzymes, our nature's inspired cleaning ingredients. Like living organisms, they're using enzymes to break down food. In detergents, we're using enzymes to break down tough stains like starch, proteins, greases, even in cold water. Enzymes are super efficient. A little amount goes a very long way. And then there are the cleaning boosters. There are polymers and chelants, and they are helping to boost the performance of our detergents by breaking down stubborn soils, by helping other ingredients to perform, or they're also protecting the colors and the vibrancy of our clothes. Now these cleaning ingredients are present in low amounts, but giving a big boost in the performance of our detergents. So now you know the secret behind the cleaning power of your detergent.